GR's fascination with creating unique hairstyles had become a source of fascination for the people of her town. With her big, bold, and gravity-defying hair, she never ceased to amaze and surprise everyone who crossed her path. GR was a true artist when it came to hairstyling. Her ever-changing styles were a testament to her limitless imagination and creativity. One day, she would have her hair shaped into a massive spiral that resembled a galaxy, and on another, she would have it woven into intricate braids resembling alien symbols. Her hair was her canvas, and she painted it with vibrant colors and otherworldly designs, transforming herself into a walking masterpiece. What made GR's hair truly unique was its ability to stand out, literally. It seemed as if gravity had no hold on her, as she could make her hair defy its laws. She could make her hair stand tall and proud like antennas, giving her the appearance of an extraterrestrial being. GR had the innate ability to manipulate her hair into fascinating forms that left people in awe and wonder. GR's mission was simple yet profound, to surprise people and make them believe in the extraordinary. Her hair became a symbol of breaking free from societal norms and expectations. She inspired those around her to embrace their individuality and unleash their creativity. GR's hair was not just about style, it was about expressing herself in a way that encouraged others to do the same. The people of Creativityville admired GR's fearless approach to life. She reminded them that being different was a beautiful thing, and that standing out in a crowd was not something to be feared, but celebrated. GR's hair, in all its glorious peculiarity, was a beacon of inspiration for her town. Every day was a new opportunity for GR to showcase her unique hairstyles. Sometimes she would have her hair bloom like a radiant sun, and on other occasions, she would shape it into whimsical, gravity-defying sculptures. She became a living art installation, a walking testament to the power of imagination and self-expression. GR's journey to becoming a beloved figure in Creativityville was a reminder that we all have the potential to stand out in our own way. Her big hair and unconventional style served as an invitation to embrace the extraordinary within ourselves and to proudly display it to the world. As people crossed paths with GR, they found themselves inspired to express their individuality and creativity more freely. GR's mission had far-reaching effects, as Creativityville itself transformed into a place where everyone felt encouraged to be themselves, no matter how strange or unique. In the end, GR, the girl who styled her hair to surprise and resemble an otherworldly being, was a living testament to the idea that embracing one's individuality and celebrating one's uniqueness could change not only her life, but an entire town. Her big, bold, and gravity-defying hair was a symbol of the boundless potential that exists within each of us, and her story served as a reminder that being